Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a great day. So if you saw my last DIY, you may have heard me say that I was done with fall DIYs for the season. Well, I lied. I was trying to think of some Halloween DIYs that I could do, and I kind of got this brilliant idea that what if I could turn some of my fall DIYs into Halloween DIYs? So I could use them for both seasons, because I don't know about you guys, but I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna do this, because I have my fall stuff up now, and in October I would like to do my Halloween stuff, but then in November I wanna go back to my fall. Is anyone else having this problem? I'm like, how am I gonna do this? So I decided to pick 3 of my fall DIYs and change them into Halloween, so that all I have to do is kind of flip them over. That's all I need to do. So the first one we are gonna do is this fall ladder. If you guys missed this DIY, I will link it up here and down below for you guys to check out. But I made this fall ladder, and I am going to flip it around and have it say boo. So we are gonna work on that. And then these cute little pumpkins that I made, these were so easy, and these are probably one of my favorite fall DIYs that I've made. And I'm gonna flip these over and turn them into jack-o'-lanterns. Last but not least, this is going to be a little backwards, but I just picked up this beware sign from Dollar Tree last week, and I am going to obviously leave this side. This will be the Halloween side, and then I'm going to flip it over and make it into a fall sign. So stay tuned to see what I do with this one. But I hope you guys like this idea. I mean, we'll see how it goes. I haven't started them yet, so I'm sure they'll turn out cute. So if you guys are new, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss any of my DIYs. And please give this video a big thumbs up if you love DIYs, and let's get into it. Okay, for this first one, the ladder, I am actually using this weed barrier cloth that I bought from Dollar Tree a while back. I saw it and I was like, you know what? I'm pretty sure I can figure out a cool DIY to use this for. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it to the size I need. And it's very, very thin if you open it up all the way, as you can see. So what I had to do was kind of fold it over like 4 different times to make it thicker so that you can't see through it. So what I did was just kind of held up the ladder, and I put this next to the fall little flags, or whatever you want to call those. And I just made sure that the sizes were pretty much the same so that you couldn't see the fall one when I put this one over it, if that makes any sense. And then once I had it cut to size, I went ahead and took my iron and just ironed out. There were some creases in it, so I just wanted to iron it out. And then I went ahead and took it and folded it the 3 or 4 times that I needed to. And then I used some hot glue just to keep the edges down. And then once I got it to where I wanted it, I went ahead and ironed it again. And then once I folded over the edges, it's pretty much going to stay in place. I don't think I needed to glue it too many times. And then I did take my scissors and I cut off the top corners a little bit so that when I folded it over, you couldn't see them like overlapping on the other side. And I just glued each side down like this. And then I'm going to get my Velcro and I'm going to Velcro it to the fall ladder. So I'm going to leave the fall letters on there and then just Velcro this right on top. One of my subscribers had this brilliant idea when I first made the ladder to use Velcro, and I never went back and changed the fall letters to Velcro, but I'm totally going to put Velcro on top of it. So I plan on doing this for the Halloween, and then I would like to maybe do a Christmas one as well. So thank you to whoever had that awesome idea. Now I'm taking these stencils are from Hobby Lobby, and I've been using these for so many different projects. So I'm just getting out the letters to spell out boo, and then there is an exclamation point in there, and I thought that would be perfect. So I'm just gonna stencil these on with my stencil brush and just white paint. Next, I'm taking these little Velcro pieces that I bought from Dollar Tree a while back, and I'm going to put Velcro on 2 on each of the little pieces of fabric, and then I'm going to put 2 on the actual ladder so that I can just Velcro these right to the ladder. All right, this next one, you guys, is super, super hard. Just kidding. This one was probably the easiest DIY I've ever done. So I'm just taking this sign from Dollar Tree and I'm going to flip it over and I'm just going to paint it. So I'm going to take some orange paint that I actually picked up from Dollar Tree and mix it with a little bit of white because I didn't want it to be super, super bright orange. And I'm just going to mix them together and paint it on with my brush. Next, I'm taking these little stencils. These are from Dollar Tree, and I wanted to use my other stencils, but they were a little too big. So I'm just going to use these, and I've got them all laid out how I want them, and I'm using that same stencil brush and just my white paint. And then for this last one, I'm just taking my little pumpkins and I'm taking my black marker and I'm just drawing little jack-o'-lantern faces right on there. So I just Googled jack-o'-lantern faces and just picked 3 of my favorites, and that's all I did for these. Alright guys, that does it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed this little fall to Halloween DIY idea that I had. I think it's going to be a great way to kind of transition into Halloween, and then after Halloween I could just flip them over and go right back to fall. How do you guys plan on doing it, by the way? Please let me know if you have any advice. So don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. Alright guys, we'll see you all soon. Bye!